Understanding the phrase, be a 10. Hey everyone, in today's video, we're diving into a popular English phrase, be a 10. Ever heard of it and wondered what it means? Stick around as we unravel its meaning and usage. Be a 10 is an idiomatic expression, and like many idiomatic expressions, understanding its individual words won't always give you the full picture. Let's look at its components. Be, this is a verb that, in this context, refers to existing or being in a certain state. A 10, in many cultures, numbers are used to rate or rank things. The number 10, especially in a scale from 1 to 10, often represents the best or highest rank. So when combined, be a 10 implies being the best or of the highest quality in a certain context. Understanding when and how be a 10 is used can give more depth to its meaning. 1. Physical attractiveness. This is one of the most common usages. Saying someone is a 10 often means they are extremely attractive or the most attractive. Example, did you see that movie star at the premiere? She's definitely a 10. 2. Skill or ability. It can also refer to someone's proficiency in a skill or talent. Example, his presentation skills are amazing. I'd say he's a 10 when it comes to public speaking. 3. General excellence. Whether it's quality of service, product, or any other aspect, be a 10 can denote top-notch quality. Example, this restaurant is the best in town. The food, ambience, and service, everything's a 10. 1. Subjectivity. Remember, beauty or quality is often in the eyes of the beholder. What's a 10 for one person might not be for another. 2. Cultural variances. While the phrase is understood in many English-speaking regions, it's always good to be aware of cultural nuances when using it. 3. Positivity. Generally, this phrase has a positive connotation. So, if you use it, it's likely to be taken as a compliment. So there you have it. Now you know what be a 10 means and how it's used in different contexts. Whether you're complimenting someone's looks, skills, or anything else that impresses you, be a 10 is a great way to express that they're at the top of the game. We hope this video has been enlightening, and the next time you hear or use be a 10, you'll do so with confidence.